Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can find the Cicada in Heartopia game. Okay, let me show you my insect story, and I'm going to view Cicada information. Okay, basically guys, you can catch this insect in any weather condition during the sunny days, rainy days, or the rainbow event. And for the source, you can catch it from the forest, specifically from the spirit oak pine forest. And I'm going to show you the location on the map. Okay, this is the spirit oak pine forest, and you're going to track the bus stop first, then you can immediately go to the spirit oak pine forest. Okay, and it's around here. You need to be really careful because it's black, it's almost invisible, and the cicada is on the ground, guys, so yeah, just watch out. Okay guys, and that's where you can find the Cicada in the Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.